Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get your PayPal link. First, understand that a PayPal Me link is a unique, personalized URL designed to simplify receiving payments. It allows anyone to send you money with just one click, without needing your email address or phone number. To start, simply log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, look for the PayPal Me section, which is typically accessible from your account summary or settings menu. This is your gateway to creating a custom payment link. Now let's create your personalized link. Once in the PayPal Me section, you will be prompted to choose a unique username. This becomes the custom part of your link, like PayPal Me/your name. Select something memorable and easy to share, perhaps your business name or a personal identifier. A well-chosen link makes it simple for others to recognize and use it, ensuring your payments arrive smoothly. Take a moment to pick a name that truly represents you or your brand. With your link created, it's time to share it. You can easily send your PayPal Me link through text messages, emails, or by posting it on your social media channels. When someone clicks your link, they are taken directly to your personalized payment page where they can enter the amount they wish to send. For even greater convenience, you can pre-fill an amount directly into the link, for example, by adding a slash and the amount like /25 to request a specific payment. Finally, managing your PayPal Me link is straightforward. You have complete control over its settings, including privacy options, allowing you to decide who sees your profile. You can also update your profile picture or description associated with the link whenever you wish. Should your needs change, PayPal provides options to temporarily disable your link or even permanently delete it from your account settings. This ensures your payment link always aligns with your current preferences and needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.